The Shintenchi 105-inch modular sectional sofa is designed for people who don't want to perch. They want to settle in. This is a couch that understands the modern ritual of stretching out after a long day, laptop balanced somewhere nearby, feet fully extended, responsibilities temporarily ignored. Its deep seat, boneless design sends a clear message. Comfort comes first here. The first thing noticed is the scale. At 105 inches, this sectional feels generous without being overwhelming. The L-shaped layout makes smart use of corner space, creating a natural flow in the room instead of blocking it. Even in smaller living rooms, it manages to feel substantial rather than bulky. That balance is hard to achieve, and it's one of this sofa's quiet strengths. The deep seats are the heart of the experience. They're wide and inviting, filled with high-density foam that offers a soft, contouring support instead of the stiff resistance common in budget sectionals. The cushions don't fight back. They gently adapt to the body, making it easy to lounge for hours without the familiar backache that usually follows. This sofa isn't trying to train posture, it's trying to help people relax. Wrapped around all that cushioning is corduroy fabric that brings warmth and texture into the room. It's plush without being fuzzy, soft without feeling fragile. The fabric breathes well, making it comfortable across seasons, and it resists wrinkles better than expected for something this cozy. In neutral gray tones, it blends easily with modern, casual, or minimalist interiors, though slight variations in fabric feel have been noted between different production runs. While some versions lean more velvety and rich, others feel more traditional corduroy. Still comfortable, just different in character. What really sets this sofa apart is its modular nature. Each piece is lightweight and movable, allowing the layout to change as the room changes. The L shape works beautifully in corners, but the configuration doesn't have to stay fixed forever. Rearranging furniture no longer feels like a commitment or a workout. This flexibility makes the sofa especially appealing for renters or anyone who likes to refresh their space without buying new furniture. The oversized chaise deserves its own moment of appreciation. It's long enough to fully stretch out, not just prop up feet. This turns the sofa into a proper lounging zone, nap station, or even an impromptu guest bed. Some versions also allow easy conversion into a sleeping surface, adding another layer of practicality without sacrificing comfort. Delivery and setup lean toward effortless. The sofa arrives in 2 boxes for easier handling, sometimes at different times, which is worth noting. There's no traditional assembly involved. No tools, no screws, no frustration. Once unboxed, the cushions simply need a little encouragement and time. After about 72 hours, the foam reaches its full shape and softness, transforming from compressed packaging to inviting comfort. In terms of structure, the sofa feels sturdy and supportive once fully expanded. While it isn't overly plush in a sink-all-the-way-in sense, the cushioning strikes a dependable middle ground. Minor design quirks, like small gaps between modular joints or armrests, don't affect function and are easily disguised with decorative pillows. This sectional doesn't pretend to be something it's not. It isn't a rigid, formal statement piece. It's a sofa meant to be lived on, worked on, lounged on, napped on. For the price, the comfort, flexibility, and ease of setup make it a compelling choice. The Shintenchi 105-inch modular sectional sofa proves that relaxation doesn't need complexity. It just needs space, softness, and a little room to stretch out.